In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can create the Microsoft Azure account. So first of all, go to the any browser and just simply search Microsoft Azure account. And you can see here first link. Click on the first link, and after clicking on the first link, you can redirect into this page, and you can create the Microsoft Azure account. So after creating the Microsoft Azure account, you will get the $200, and you have to use that $200 within a 1 month, right? So you can also use the Microsoft community version Azure account, where you don't need to use your credit card, but to create this account you need your credit card and then the your PAN number. So sometimes you can create your Azure account without PAN number and then the credit card also. So click on the start free and you will redirect into the next page. First of all, you will need one Microsoft Outlook account, right? So if you have already Microsoft Outlook account, you can simply use it, or you can create the new account. So you can see here use another account option. Just click on the use another option, another account options, and just click the one Microsoft account. Click on create one, and then the again click one create a new email address. So just to give some name, like I'm giving here possible text. So this name, and click on the next option. So I'm gonna create the one Outlook account from here. So you can also create the one Outlook account. It will take some time, and we have to set the new password. I'm setting up the password. So let me wait some second. So I've set up the password. Now click on the next option, and let's go into the next option. So after that, I have to this set up this captcha. So I have to verify the captcha. It shows me the picture. Okay, let me verify this captcha. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, now I have to click on the submit, and this is submitted over here. Now my Outlook account creation portion is completed. So now you can see this is created. Our Outlook account is created. Now I have to log in this Microsoft Azure account with this Outlook account, and we have to verify, and we have to fill this form. So at first I will fill up my first name, last name, and all the required field over here, right? So let me wait. I'm putting my last name text, and then I have to also put my email address and also the phone number. So you cannot use the same phone number for the different Azure account. So we have to be aware about it. So yeah, I have to put the phone number, and then I'm putting all the information over here. And now I'm gonna verify my phone number, and after that I have to click on the this check mark, and I have to click on the next option. So it will redirect into the another page, and this page, in another page you have to verify our credit card informations. So if you want to create this credit card from Nepal, then you can simply visit the video in the description. You can create simply one credit card over there. At first I will fill this form, and I will redirect to with you. So I have to fill the file holder name and then the address and many more things. So I have to fill these forms, and then at last I have to click on the sign up options. So it has some fields like cardholder name, everything. Now click on the sign up options, and I have to go into the again. After clicking on the sign up options, again I have to go to the Microsoft Azure, that website which we had started at the beginning. So click on just search the Azure account Microsoft again, and create Azure Microsoft account, and just click on again start free options, and log in with your Outlook account which you have created just now, right? So after logging into the Azure account, this is the official, or you can say that this is the interface of the Azure account sites. So after redirecting to this page, you can do everything that you can do with the Azure account, right? So this is all about the how we can create the Azure Microsoft account. If you have any confusion regarding this video, creating the Microsoft Azure account, if you have any problem, then you can simply ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel and like the video and share this video. Thank you.